Hello and welcome to another video for SAT Maths. Today's topic is solving linear and quadratic equations. Let's begin. Question number one says if xy is a solution to the system given, which of the following could be the value of x? So this is just about solving simultaneously. Let's begin solving simultaneously. I think right, x plus 5 and x minus 9 equals to x plus 5. Now I know for a fact that one thing that I could do is, I could bring it here and cancel out, and I think that should work in this case. Otherwise, I would have to expand everything and solve it. But this is a quicker way of doing it. So x minus 9 equals to 1 and x equals to 10. Does 10 work? So although 10 works, but it's not one of the answer options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand and then solve. So x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 45 minus x minus 5. X square minus 4x minus 5x minus 50. So x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 equals to 0. X minus 10 and x plus 5. X equals to 10 and x equals to minus 5. So I got the other answer first. This is the other is the correct answer. Let's move on. Question number two. The square of one number is 60 more than the square of the other. So square of one number is 60 more than the square of the other. 12 times the numerically small number. So y should be the numerically small number is 3 times the other. Determine the greater positive numerical numbers. I'm asking you for the value of x. So x is basically 12y divided by 3, which is 4y. So let's substitute 4y square equals to 60 plus y square. That's 16y square minus y square equals to 60. 15y square equals to 60. Y square equals to 4. Y equals to 2 or minus 2. So determine the greater positive numerical number. So y is 2 or so x has to be 8, I think. That is the correct answer. Question number 3. X square this and x dot k. So determine the value of k. Okay, so x should be 20 over k, or I could just solve this x square minus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. So x equals to 4. When I solve this on a calculator, so x 4k equals to 20 and k is therefore equals to 5. So I don't need to make it more complicated. That should be the correct answer. Moving on to the next question, it says consider the system of equations y equals to this and what are the solutions? So x square minus 6 equals to 4x minus 1, x square minus 4x minus 5 equals to 0, so x equals to 5 and x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 and 5. That is the answer option that I think matches. I think that should work. Let's just take a shot. Yes, that's the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. It says in the XY plane, below a system of equations, identify which of the following solutions are provided to the system. Yeah, I can't see the numbers. The solutions should be, okay, let me just put it here. The solutions should be this point and this point. So that's like minus 1 comma 4. Yeah, 1 and 4 comma 16 something. Let's check. 4 comma 19. So 1 and 3 only. Okay, next set of easy questions. Determine the number distance between the points of intersection this and that. So you solve simultaneously and then you find the distance. X squared minus 3x minus 10. So minus 5 and plus 2. So x equals to 5 and x equals to minus 2. I'm doing this on a calculator. Okay. Then for the y coordinate, I have 17 and minus 4. So 5 comma 17 and minus 2 comma minus 4. Let's do this. Minus 4 minus 17 squared plus minus 2 minus 5 squared. 7 root 10. So 7 into 3.16. 22.12. Now, I think I should decimals only go up. I think the answer should be 22.1 because that's the answer square that you're given on the exam as well. Okay, it says 22.12. That's fine. Answers need to be correct to the nearest hundredth. What is the value of k that makes the linear function intersect the quadratic function at only one common point? Okay, so now I'm asking you about roots. When I say I have only one common point, I mean that I have only one real root. When do I have only one real root? When b square minus 4ac. So just first complete this. Plus 4 minus k. B square minus 4ac should be equals to 0 for one real root. Okay, that's something that we covered in the lectures. So b square 4ac 169. 12 into 4 is 48 plus 12k. So what's 169 minus 48? 121. Yeah, that should be the correct answer. Let's see the next one. It says determine the points of intersection between the line this and that. So it's just about solving simultaneously. Okay, x squared plus 2x squared equals to 5. That's going to make 5x squared equals to 5, x squared equals to 5, x squared equals to 1, x equals to 1, or x equals to minus 1. Okay, so when x equals to 1 and minus 1, y equals to 2, and y equals to minus 2. Okay, the graph intersects the curve at of y equals to x at 2 points. If one point is 0, 0, and the other point is 3p, which of the following is the value of p? So I think I'll have to solve simultaneously. Okay, x squared minus 6x equals to 0, x equals to 0, and x equals to 6. So 6. Then I have x squared equals to x plus 2, x squared minus x minus 2, x equals to 2, x equals to 1. I think one of the answers has to be positive and negative. Let's check. I think that has to be minus 1. So x equals to 2 should be the correct answer. Value of y. Oh, my bad. I should have done the value of y, so that's 2 square, which is 4. I think I'll have to do this session again. Okay, end review and start next section. Let's do the easy questions once more. This was 22.12. I made some silly mistakes here. Okay, that was minus 5. I've forgotten what this answer was. I think it was 8. Five. It's again giving me some questions to do. And that was the correct answer to this one. Then 1 and 3. These are the same questions that I've done before, so I'm not really focusing on these. That is this. And 6. That brings us to the end of easy questions. I will see you with another video for the next set of questions. Thank you for watching.